बताना चाहता हूँ कि यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवता, अर्थात जहाँ नारियों की पूजा होती है वहाँ देवता भी निवास करते हैं। क्योंकि चाहे प्राचीन काल में जाएं हम, चाहे वर्तमान समय में जाएं, नारियाँ हमारे देश को उन्नति के मार्ग पर ले जाने में काफ़ी अग्रसर हैं और इसी तरह हमें नारियों की रिस्पेक्ट करनी।
So what's the first thing comes in your mind when you hear the word feminism?
Equality.
Equality.
Equal opportunities.
Me.
Equal opportunities.
Equal rights.
I think equal rights to women.
Equality, women's rights.
Equality to women.
Equality?
Obviously female dominance, I feel like, in today's world.
No, I think that this talks about the awareness that is being generated about how we really need equality.
It's all about the girls. I mean, the girly thing. What? Is it?
Equality. मेट्रो में सीट ले लेती हैं यार हमसे, लड़कियों के चक्कर भाई लेती हैं हाँ वो गलत यूज़ उसका।
What is the real meaning of feminism?
I would say having a brain and contemplating life, that would be more convenient rather than following. अब लड़की ने बोल दिया है तो मान लेते हैं, अब भैया ही बताएंगे टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में, हम गैजेट फ्रीक हो नहीं सकते या हमें पता नहीं हो सकता।
It's a theoretical understanding. Basically, if you are a feminist, you are saying that you want equal opportunities, equal as in to men. And there are different meanings of it, so people generally misunderstand it. There are different strands of it. So there's radical feminism, there's eco-feminism, there are different kinds of feminism. So generally what people associate with feminism is radical feminism. So you think कि जो भी feminists होते हैं उनको मर्दों से कोई प्रॉब्लम है, हमें प्रॉब्लम मर्दों से नहीं होते। It's just that you want equal opportunities like this.
And as equal rights without going to extremes or extreme ideas.
It's not के लड़कियों को ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ना है लड़कों से, ये ऊपर नीचे वाला कोई रिलेशन नहीं है। It's about being equal, getting equal opportunities for both.
I think it has more to do with questioning the status quo when it is wrong, not questioning the status quo just for questioning the status quo there is.
People understand it as women not to be empowered but to give them more rights than men have. But it means to give equal rights.
Well, feminism is nothing but equality, being equal to men, the equality that is given to men and women. And some people actually misuse it, misunderstand it, which is wrong on everybody's part.
It is about कि एक तरफ dominance हो रहा है and जो oppressed हैं उनको fight back करना पड़ेगा, and उसके equality is more about feminism and fighting against male dominating society and वो जो सोच है male dominating society की उसके against. Yes.
Now my next question, like if you're saying it's all about equality, then why we need a first allotted bogie especially for women in metro?
And that's, I think, for safety.
फर्स्ट बोगी तो होना तो चाहिए वो, या तो ना वही सिविलाइज मतलब होने चाहिए लोग इनफ, क्योंकि देखो वैसे ज़रूरत नहीं है देखा जाए तो। अगेन वो ये लोग सिविलाइज नहीं है, स्पेशली इन दिल्ली। लाइक मेरे और आपके जैसे लोग हैं, अगर हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं भी, जैसे इसने बोला, वो स्पेस हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे, मतलब जो भी ट्रैवल करेंगे हम, वैसे गाय और गर्ल, हम उनको वो स्पेस प्रोवाइड करेंगे। बट सिर्फ हमारे ऐसे लोग नहीं ट्रैवल करते ना, मेट्रो में और भी काफ़ी लोग होते हैं।
And if you guys are shirtless, you walk into a group of women, do you feel like life-threatening, like something is bad is going to happen to you? That is what a woman
in our
feels.
society, I don't think so.
Yeah.
That is what a woman feels like every time she's in the middle of a men crowd.
Yeah.
She's always on her guard.
And also like every day when we dress up, when we get up, we wear something nice like a dress or shorts or something that shows a little cleavage or legs or whatever. We feel threatened by it. Do you? I mean, you get up, you wear nice clothes and feel like, oh, I look like a stud today. I come up, okay, and I look beautiful and I feel threatened. How is that fair? I want a bogie so that I can be myself.
Take an example, a metro special coach is reserved, and in the general coach also the seats are reserved for women.
Do you think this feminism thing is also getting used against men?
I am from a girls' college. I'm from Daulat Ram College. I don't really support the fact that only girls are supposed to study in one college. I mean, it should be a co-ed college, you know, because the percentage of every girls' college is obviously below whichever co-ed college. We have so many laws regarding people molesting, men molesting women, and clearly we have a lot of laws about that, right? So people tend to misuse that, like to frame people like that, because they know that they get some sort of sympathy because of that reason, right?
कि अगर किसी का गलती से हाथ लग गया तो इशू काफ़ी ज़्यादा बन जाता है उस बात का।
Feminism is all about equality.
doesn't mean feminazi.
It's not about feminazi, it's about equality. Feminism is all about equality.